Transform everyday cleaning into a stress-free experience with the best robot multifunctional super vacuum cleaner, designed for busy lifestyles that deserve comfort and spotless living. Imagine returning home to shining floors, fresh surroundings, and more time for family, relaxation, or personal moments without exhausting effort. This smart cleaning companion brings convenience, elegance, and peace into every corner of your home while reducing daily pressure. Perfect for modern households seeking effortless cleanliness, powerful performance, and a smarter way to maintain a beautiful environment every single day. Number 5. Xiaomi Robot Vacuum and Mop M30S, 7,300 pascals strong. Create a cleaner and more peaceful home environment with the Xiaomi Robot Vacuum and Mop M30S, designed for modern families who want comfort, convenience, and extra free time every day. Busy lifestyles often leave little opportunity for proper floor care, especially in homes with pets, children, or heavy daily activity. This smart cleaning companion helps maintain a fresh atmosphere that feels welcoming, relaxing, and beautifully organized without demanding constant effort. Its powerful 7,300 pascal suction helps remove pet hair, dust, and hidden particles from hard floors while supporting a more hygienic living space. Smart navigation moves smoothly through rooms with precision, helping maintain neat surroundings and reducing the stress of everyday cleaning tasks. Automatic cleaning support makes home care feel easier and more enjoyable, allowing families to spend valuable moments together instead of worrying about untidy floors. Application control adds modern convenience to daily routines, helping homeowners manage cleaning schedules with comfort and flexibility. The elegant design blends naturally into contemporary interiors and creates a smart lifestyle experience that feels practical and satisfying. Perfect for apartments, offices, and family homes, the Xiaomi Robot Vacuum and Mop M30S delivers dependable cleaning support while creating a calm and refreshing atmosphere. Enjoy spotless surroundings, improved comfort, and more meaningful time with loved ones every single day. Number 4. Sweeping and Vacuuming Wireless Vacuum Cleaner. Keep your living space fresh and welcoming with the new 3-in-1 Sweeping and Vacuuming Wireless Vacuum Cleaner, designed for people who want a simple and comfortable cleaning experience every day. Dust, scattered dirt, and untidy floors can quickly make a home feel stressful and exhausting after busy work schedules. This smart sweeping robot helps create a calm atmosphere where families can relax, enjoy peaceful moments, and feel proud of their surroundings without spending extra energy on constant cleaning. Its intelligent sweeping support moves smoothly across different surfaces while helping maintain a neat and organized appearance throughout the home. Wireless convenience allows easier movement from room to room, making daily care feel effortless and enjoyable. Vacuuming performance helps remove unwanted particles from hidden corners, helping bedrooms, living spaces, and offices feel cleaner and more refreshing. The modern design blends beautifully into contemporary interiors while adding a smart lifestyle touch that suits busy households. Perfect for apartments, family homes, and personal workspaces, this advanced home sweeper supports a healthier environment and reduces the pressure of demanding routines. The new 3-in-1 Sweeping and Vacuuming Wireless Vacuum Cleaner offers comfort, cleanliness, and more valuable free time for the moments that matter most. Enjoy a relaxing environment that feels fresh, peaceful, and beautifully maintained every single day. Number 3. Cleaner and Mop Liectroux M70 Pro Wet Dry Cleaning. Transform your everyday routine with the LDS Robot Vacuum Cleaner and Mop Liectroux M70 Pro, created for people who want a cleaner, calmer, and more organized home without spending hours on difficult household chores. Long workdays and busy family schedules often leave little energy for proper floor care, making living spaces feel uncomfortable and untidy. This smart cleaning companion helps maintain a fresh environment that feels relaxing, welcoming, and enjoyable every single day. Its advanced wet and dry cleaning support keeps floors looking polished while self-empty convenience reduces daily maintenance stress. Powerful 6,500 pascal suction helps remove dust, dirt, and hidden particles from carpets, corners, and hard surfaces, creating a more pleasant atmosphere for family members and guests. Multi-floor map technology moves smoothly through different rooms while Carpet Boost support adjusts cleaning performance for deeper care and improved cleanliness. With a maximum 175 minutes runtime, this intelligent home appliance supports larger living spaces without constant interruptions. The elegant appearance blends naturally into modern interiors while delivering dependable results that make life easier and more comfortable. The LDS Robot Vacuum Cleaner and Mop Liectroux M70 Pro brings convenience, peace of mind, and effortless care to homes that deserve lasting cleanliness and everyday comfort. Number 2. 5-in-1 Wireless Smart Robot Vacuum Cleaner. Enjoy a cleaner and more peaceful lifestyle with the 5-in-1 Wireless Smart Robot Vacuum Cleaner designed for modern homes that deserve comfort, freshness, and convenience every day. Busy schedules often leave little time for proper cleaning, making living spaces feel untidy and stressful. This intelligent home appliance helps create a relaxing atmosphere where families can spend quality moments without worrying about dust, dirt, or daily mess. Its multifunctional cleaning support brings care to different surfaces while maintaining a calm environment through super quiet operation. Vacuuming, mopping, and humidifying work together to improve indoor comfort and help rooms feel more welcoming and refreshed. The wireless smart design moves smoothly across floors, helping homeowners enjoy an organized surroundings without exhausting effort or constant attention. Perfect for apartments, bedrooms, offices, and family living spaces, this advanced cleaning companion adds simplicity to daily routines while supporting a healthier environment. The elegant appearance blends naturally with contemporary home decoration and creates a smart living experience that feels practical and satisfying. The 5-in-1 Wireless Smart Robot Vacuum Cleaner is an ideal choice for people who value cleanliness, relaxation, and extra free time. Create a warm and inviting home atmosphere while reducing stress and enjoying effortless care for your living space every single day. Number 1. MIJIA AM40 Robot Vacuum Cleaner. Bring calmness and comfort into your daily routine with the MIJIA AM40 Robot Vacuum Cleaner, created for modern families who want a cleaner home without spending valuable time on tiring chores. After long working hours, nobody wants to struggle with dust, scattered dirt, or messy floors. This intelligent cleaning companion helps create a fresh atmosphere that feels welcoming every single day. Its powerful 12,000 Pascal suction removes hidden particles from corners, carpets, and hard surfaces, giving your living space a polished appearance that feels satisfying and relaxing. Advanced LDS laser navigation moves smoothly around furniture while high-precision obstacle avoidance protects household items and keeps cleaning uninterrupted. Intelligent mop lift technology keeps surfaces looking neat and refreshed, helping busy homeowners enjoy a more hygienic environment with less effort. The elegant design blends beautifully into contemporary interiors, adding a smart lifestyle touch to any room. Perfect for apartments, family homes, and office spaces, the MIJIA AM40 Robot Vacuum Cleaner delivers convenience, peace of mind, and dependable cleaning performance. Enjoy more free time with loved ones while your surroundings remain spotless, organized, and beautifully maintained every day without extra pressure or exhaustion.